AI agents are active players in the modern business landscape. Contrary to popular belief, they do not wait for constant prompts to get to work. In this video, we'll explore how AI agents move from perception to action and become active collaborators in business operations. Modern agentic architecture has 4 core components that enable autonomy and decision-making in AI agents. These are intentionality, forethought, self-reactiveness, and self-reflectiveness. Intentionality is when AI agents establish concrete goals that guide their choices and problem-solving process. With forethought, AI agents don't act randomly. They evaluate potential scenarios and outcomes to make informed decisions. Meanwhile, self-reactiveness is when AI agents automatically adapt to changes and adjust their behaviors without waiting for further prompts. Lastly, self-reflectiveness enables AI agents to constantly improve from feedback and user behaviors, refining their problem-solving strategies over time. Here's an example you might already be familiar with. You have a long weekend ahead and want to arrange a short trip out of town. As a quick fix, you ask an AI travel agent to plan your trip. The AI agent uses natural language understanding or NLU models to interpret your request and extract clear goals and constraints. Next, the AI agent uses tools and APIs to source and compare information like optimal routes, vacancies, and weather conditions. It even infers potential needs based on patterns from past interactions and incorporates them into its evaluation and decision-making processes. As you finalize your itinerary, self-reactiveness activates, and the AI agent rechecks availability and automatically adjusts your options if issues arise. For example, when your preferred hotel is fully booked. The AI agent also takes note of in-session feedback to further refine its future responses and decisions. Some AI agents even learn from aggregated feedback and post-trip ratings to improve recommendations to future users. In a nutshell, well-built AI agents use sound logic and step-by-step analyses to guide their thinking and provide optimal results for users. In business, this means a definitive advantage. Follow us to learn more AI and BPO insights or schedule a discovery call today. We'll be waiting. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.